Can you believe it? It's Father's Day again this coming Sunday. And here are 5 free ways to make your dad feel special without spending any single money. Before that, intro! Hey everybody, Jeffrey Esmeralda here once again, and thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe below and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my newest videos. First of all, if you're a new dad, struggling dad, or an expert dad, happy Father's Day to you. And if you have a dad, please say happy Father's Day to him for me. I know that finding the best Father's Day gifts can be very challenging and let alone expensive. So here are the 5 free things that you can do for free. Number 1, honor your dad. As a parent of 2 kids, honor has become more important to me, and I'm sure it's the same thing for your dad. Honoring your dad is basically regarding him with great respect. So what to do? You can honor your dad by giving him a handwritten letter, or making your own Father's Day card, or simply picking up the phone and call him. Then express your appreciation to all the great things he has done for you. Number 2, boost his ego. As a man, I could say that male ego is for real. Is for real. And believe it or not, it's important for most men. I know it's weird and hard to explain, but trust me, it's there. It's simply a man's feeling closely related to self-worth, recognition, seeking attention for the hard work that he has done. Or it could also be a feeling of superiority. So what to do? Tell your dad about a story that he had warned you about that actually came true. Tell your dad that he was right about it and that you are thankful that you've listened to him in the first place, or that you should have listened to him in the first place. Or compliment him for his big muscles, great projects, and awesome accomplishments. What not to do? Don't ever insult your old man, period. Or compare him with someone that will make him feel smaller or lesser. Number 3, laugh at his dad jokes. Here's a dad joke from Bored Panda. Did you know that the first French fries were not made in France? They're made in Greece. Get it? To be completely honest, I never thought there's such a thing until I became a dad. I know it's usually corny, but I feel like dad just needed to do it because they feel the responsibility of making sure that their family is happy. And I guess there's nothing wrong with that. So again, what to do? Claim that he's funny. Or if he's not, pretend that he is funny. Then ask for his list of dad jokes. That'll work. Number 4, be present with him. I believe that most dads crave undivided attention from their kids, especially when they're grown up. So what to do? When you're with your dad, try not to be on your cell phone or on your computer too much. Spend time with him. If you want to watch a movie or a TV show, ask your dad and see what he likes and watch it together. Get a popcorn and eat it together. Chicken wings. There's so many things to do. And number 5, ask for his wisdom. I truly believe that consulting your dad about something that's bothering you makes him feel needed and an expert about something. And plus, he has more years ahead of you, so I'm sure he has seen a few things here and there that you might not know yet. So what to do? Ask your dad about his experience when he was a new dad, or how hard it was back in the days when they were struggling, or if they were struggling. Or asking what would he tell himself if he was the same age as you again. Or maybe ask him about his experience when he was growing up, when he was still a child, how it was with his father. Trust me, there's so much to learn when you open your heart and ears to him. And there you have it. Being a dad is not easy, but it sure is worth it. Most importantly, make your dad feel special by showing him that he had raised an amazing child like you. So I hope you find this helpful. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe below and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my newest videos. Again, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, and see you in my next video. Peace.